Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb for the license plate on the Toyota Corolla IM or Scion IM. You actually don't need any tools for this, but I find needle nose pliers the most useful, or a flathead. Then you will need the replacement bulb of your choice. Alright, so first let me explain how to remove this housing. So see on both sides there's going to be a lip right here that it grabs onto. Inside the hole it sits in, one on this side also. So we'll be removing it from this side, which we can squeeze to drop it out. And you can do so by taking needle nose pliers and just grabbing this hole right here and pulling it to the right and pulling it down. Or you can take a flathead, stick it in there to squeeze to the right, but then you'll need to pull down also, or just use your hand. Once you have that off, you'll see this, where this socket goes here. You'll turn it counterclockwise to remove the socket, and once you get the bulb out, notice that these holes here are not the same size, so it only goes in one way, which lines up with these notches out here. So you just do the reverse, stick that back in and turn it clockwise, and yep, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my needle nose pliers into the hole in the tab and pull to the center of the light and down. From here, it will expose our socket, where we will just turn it counterclockwise to free the socket. Then just pull out the bulb and replace it. If you're reinstalling a halogen bulb, you should use gloves so your hand oils don't create hot spots. Once inserted, I would test the bulb just to make sure it works. If you're using an LED and it is still not lit, it may be the polarity. So just flip the connections. The LED I have doesn't have any polarity, so I don't have to worry about that. Now that it's working, just reinsert the socket and turn it back clockwise. Just keep in mind the angle that you removed it, or just line up the correct holes since the holes are not the same. Lastly, putting the housing back in, just line up the non-squeeze tab side, then press it back until it clicks. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.